In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use passkeys with Bitwarden. Passkeys are a modern phishing-resistant way to secure your account using built-in device authentication or a hardware security key. In a few minutes, you'll have a passkey set up and ready to use with your Bitwarden Web Vault. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Bitwarden Web Vault. Once you're looking at your vault, move to the top right corner and click the profile icon. From that menu, choose Account Settings to open the area where you control your account's preferences and security features. On the left side, select Security. This section contains everything related to protecting your account. Next, click Two-Step Login. This is where Bitwarden lists all supported second-factor methods, including passkeys. Find the passkey option and click Manage. Bitwarden will ask you to confirm that it's really you before making changes to your two-step login. Enter your master password carefully to authenticate. This check helps prevent anyone with temporary access to your device from modifying your security settings. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll now see the screen to add a new passkey. Give it a clear, memorable name, something that helps you recognize which device or key it belongs to later, like work laptop or USB security key. Good labeling makes it easier to manage multiple passkeys in the future. Click Read Key to start the registration process. Your browser or operating system will pop up instructions tailored to the authenticator you're using. Follow those prompts to complete the verification. This might involve using your computer's built-in biometric or PIN or touching your external hardware security key. Take your time here and be sure you're registering the passkey on the device you actually plan to use. When the prompt confirms success and returns you to Bitwarden, click Save to store the new passkey in your account. That final save makes the passkey active for two-step login with the Web Vault. That's it, your passkey is now configured. The next time Bitwarden asks for two-step verification in the Web Vault, you'll be able to use the passkey you just set up. If you regularly access Bitwarden from multiple devices, consider repeating this process later to register additional passkeys so each trusted device can authenticate smoothly. And remember, avoid creating passkeys on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and great job strengthening your Bitwarden account with passkeys.